How's it going, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to go over with you how to make a YouTube thumbnail. There's this misconception out there that you need fancy programs such as Photoshop, when in reality you could just use simple online tools such as Canva or Snap. So let's take a look. So first you're going to want to start off by going to canva.com, and once you're there you're going to scroll down where it says YouTube thumbnails. You're going to click on it and it's going to take you to a blank template. So for this example, we're going to be making a thumbnail for my What's an IRA video. So I already uploaded a screenshot to use for this example. You can get creative and use your own screenshots, or you could use Canva's extensive library of photos. So once you set the perfect background for your thumbnail, so now it's time to add some text. So when you're adding some text, make sure that the font is large enough to be able to be read in a mobile device. So when you're adding text, I suggest keeping it on the left side, because when you hover over a video, the watch now or the watch later icon shows up and covering your text on the right side. So it's best to keep it on the left side so people will be able to read the text. So once you're satisfied with your thumbnail design, now you can start to download it. You can download this thumbnail completely free at no cost. So now you can go over to YouTube and upload your thumbnails. As you can see, I already uploaded mine earlier. So in conclusion, you don't really need any fancy programs to make awesome thumbnails. And also, don't get discouraged because you're not a graphic designer or a professional. You can see how easy it was just to make this thumbnail. And if you have any questions, please feel free to leave them down below, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. And thank you guys for sticking around to the end.